Hi everyone, it's Yasin here and welcome once again to Plat Properties. Today we are in Nyarutarama and we're about to cover a luxurious penthouse that is available on the market for sale. But before we start our tour, let's get specs and amenities out of the way. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It has a swimming pool that is shared within the residence, a private rooftop, and of course a balcony that provides 180-degree views from Kigali golf course with an asking price of 1,071,000,000 Rwandan francs, an equivalent for those people who live abroad. It is 765,000 US dollar or 650,000 euros. Without going through corners, let's begin our tour. Welcome once again inside our penthouse. We have this view that opens up direct to the living area. It looks amazing. Right at the main entrance, we have this open shelving with some decorates and some greenery flowers just to bring more contrast as we have a lot of minimalistic colors inside this area just to bring more contrast. On this side is where we have the formal living area with some exquisite furnitures like this amazing coffee table with some chiseled circles where you're supposed to play a local game that is called Soro. And this living area faces this TV set. We have some wood paneling behind, some drawers on this side and a TV. And we also have this opening that is floor to ceiling opening just to maximize natural light and then even take the advantage of the magnificent views of Kigali golf course and of course Nyarutarama. If you look here, we have this incredible dining table of 8. I like how the chairs are wrapped in this Alcantara fabrics. And of course, here is where we have access to this balcony that provides magnificent views. And in between the living area and the kitchen, we have this incredible wood paneling that is angled very well. And in front of it, we have this open cupboard with a hanger for the glasses, I guess. And there is a place for your bottle just where you can keep uh, your liquors and wines. And of course, on the top, have some decor just to bring more accent across this entire living area. And for the kitchen, as you can see, it is so spacious. We have this massive island in the middle. We have this incredible granite countertop. And these Bora X Pure induction cooktop with a built-in extractor. Plenty of storage down below here. And if you look this way, we have again extra cabinetries everywhere. I like the painting. This gray color, it matches really great with paintings on the wall. We have again a granite countertop, your coffee maker, have your kettle on that side, built-in microwave and oven. And on the other side where you're supposed to do your cleaning of the kitchen, there is a dishwasher and double sink. Again, that's it for this kitchen. Now let's check out the bedrooms. Inside the first bedroom in this penthouse, as you can see in the middle, we have this queen size bed, some flames, and a built-in mosquito net. There is this built-in wardrobe. There is this ironing board, and this bedroom has its own bathroom on this side. Inside our bathroom, we have this floating vanity. There is this LED mirror. There is this walk-in shower with some glass panels and showering doors. And of course, we have this water closet with a bidet. Now, coming back to the hallway, there is a lot of cover. This door opens up to the first storage where you can keep your cleaning tools. There is a cabinetry here with some open shelvings. As you can see, you can keep in here your bottles of wine and liquors. This door here opens up to the vanity room inside this living area. And of course, there is a storage for your groceries. This is a pantry. Coming here is where we have the family room. As you can see, you can sit here, some couches, some TVs. In case you have some kids, they can just sit in here without going to the formal living area. And this place is connected to this home office that is actually amazing. You can set your office here so that you can accomplish some work within your home. And now, on my right hand side, we have a hallway that covers 2 bedrooms. One actually at the moment is being used as a gym. I'm not going to go inside. And the other is self-contained actually, can be occupied. And that's it for those 2 bedrooms. Now let's check out the master bedroom inside here. Now, welcome inside the master bedroom. As you can see, it is so spacious, it is so big. In the middle, we have this queen size bed, and this couch that you can just enjoy while you are in your bedroom. And this bedroom has access to its own balcony that overlooks the neighborhood. You come here is where we have the walk-in closet that is actually amazing with some amazing cabinetries. And this door opens up to our bathroom. Now, for the master bathroom, as you can see, it is so spacious. There is a lot of spaces in between the middle. As you can see here, we have some cabinetries where you can keep your towels and every accessory that is related to the bathroom. And here we have your water closet. There is that double sink floating vanity with some actual wood on it, and there is LED mirror on that side. And this one we have this massive walk-in shower with a shower rain head, and of course there are some prom pictures on it. That's it for this master bathroom. Now let's get back to the hallway. Right now, at the moment, we are sitting at the private rooftop terrace for our penthouse, and we're about to close today's video. But before I do that, let me remind you the specs of this one. We have 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, with an asking price of 1,071,000,000 Rwandan francs, equivalent to 765,000 US dollar or 650,000 euros. And for more information about this property, please look down the description. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like, comment, and share. And please, if you're new here, consider subscribing. See you next time, but till then, ciao, ciao.